Hey everybody, how you guys doing? I'm so tired already. Anyways, I'm gonna sit in the car and probably have lunch with you too. And today I'm gonna have this chicken wings. Yo, listen to me. I'm hungry. I ain't never been hungry for my life like this. Well, yes I have. No, I haven't. But I'm hungry. And I also have some wonderful french fries. I'm supposed to be out shopping last minute. I was thinking about making a pound cake for Thanksgiving. But I think I'm just going to stick with the banana pudding and the macaroni and cheese. You know what bothers me? It's when you sit in the car and you park far away so no one will bother you. But instead, someone comes pulls up beside you every time. Let's Father, thank you for this food. Receive a little bit of nourishment. And then pray, man. I got lemon pepper wings. Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hungry. Anyway, today I went to the studio, and on my way back from leaving from there, I was a place that I always rode past, and I wonder what the food tastes like because it was called Hot Wings. And listen, y'all, I love me some hot wings. What's up, Mom? All right. Well, I started to get some lemon wings. Only thing I like about it, I was gonna say, sorry, I'm not even talking. I was trying to say that I love, excuse me, y'all, Lord, I'm just, it was being so rude. So, I normally get my chicken wings from this place called Sal's Pizza. Sal's Pizza. And I used to say, that's some chicken wings, some good wings, but they're not flavorful. And it's crazy because when you're hungry, everything tastes good to you, but when you start slowing down, I'm like, that stuff's salty. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm messing up the chicken. I think there's a such thing as too much flavor.
Boy.
can chew it. You know, you're trying to save it. I'm contemplating on whether I should go into this Kroger's. I think I will. And then I'm gonna go to a Dollar General. Alright. Thanks for watching. I know I was talking more than I was eating. Eating more. I was doing more talking, eating than I was talking. I was so hungry. I'm gonna get a roller. Taking for all that solid stuff. Anyways. I'm sorry, I made this last one wrong. Fat. Alright, guys. See y'all later. Bye.